If you're looking for a way to use a platform with built-in analytics and reporting, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to leverage these powerful tools to track, analyze, and improve your performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make data-driven decisions with ease. Let's dive right in. First, once you've logged into the platform, head over to the dashboard. This is where you'll find an overview of all the important metrics. The built-in analytics and reporting tools will be clearly labeled, making it easy for you to spot. The key here is to understand what data you're looking at and how it can help improve your operations. Now, let's start by looking at the data you have access to. Most platforms will give you a variety of charts and graphs, showing things like traffic, user behavior, and performance over time. These reports give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. Click on any graph or data point to drill down deeper into more specific information. For example, if you're looking at website traffic, you can break it down by demographics, device, or even geographic location. Next, take a look at the reporting feature. The platform will likely allow you to generate customized reports, so you can focus on exactly what's important to you. Want to see how your recent marketing campaigns are performing, or track user engagement over the last 30 days? No problem. Just select the right filters and generate a report in seconds. The beauty of built-in analytics and reporting is that they can help you spot trends and patterns that might not be immediately obvious. By consistently reviewing this data, you'll be able to identify areas where you can improve. For example, you might notice that users are dropping off on a certain page. This gives you a target to optimize, whether that's improving the page's content, design, or functionality. Don't forget to set up automatic reports if that's an option. This can save you time and keep you updated without having to manually pull reports every day or week. You can set up alerts for when certain metrics hit a threshold, helping you take action right away if anything changes dramatically. A pro tip: use these insights to A/B test your campaigns or content. By comparing different versions of your content or strategy, you can directly see what's having the biggest impact and adjust accordingly. I know what you're probably thinking. This all sounds great, but where do you even begin? Well, don't worry. I've tested multiple popular software platforms, and I'm recommending one that has this feature built in and is incredibly user-friendly. You can actually get an exclusive free trial to follow along with me in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check it out. Before I wrap up, let's quickly go over the key takeaway. Using a platform with built-in analytics and reporting can save you tons of time and effort by allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Set up your dashboard, track important metrics, generate custom reports, and always be optimizing based on the data you have. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along and explore all the features yourself. Thanks for watching, and make sure to keep analyzing, improving, and growing your business with smart tools and smart data.